How to see library tab on YouTube. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll show you how to find the library tab on your YouTube. So if you're interested, let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, you have to open the YouTube mobile application. Look at the bottom of the screen and you should see several icons such as home, shorts, subscriptions, and your profile icon, which is usually represented by the profile you have set or the first letter of your name. Once you tap on it, you will be able to view your profile. Nowadays, this profile section has been replaced by the library icon. So when you click on your profile section, you'll find your history, playlist, and other information that used to be in the library tab. If you don't see the library or the U button, here are a few things to check. Make sure that you have latest version of the YouTube application. For that, you can go to Google Play Store, search for YouTube, and then install or update the application to its latest version. If updating does not help, try clearing the app cache, go to Settings, then go to Apps, search for YouTube application. Once you find it, scroll down and go to its storage, and then click on Clear Cache. Check if the issue is resolved, and that's all for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.